Oh, yeah. Actually, that's the way it's supposed to be. No, I'm happy you've come. You've come.
Thank you very much. I'm impressed to be here.
Yeah.
We are happy. You have invited us to get the instrument of power.
Yeah. Oh, hey man, thank you so much. Zirigone, I'm the instrument of power. Otherwise, this is the instrument of power. It is $1 So I was like, no, it's okay. We are giving you power. Take over. Otherwise, it's a good thing. Yeah. Okay, yeah, you should like political power like that.
Our state, the logic issue is to provide leadership for the people of Zambia. That's what we want.
So me, I was providing.
You may say you have been providing, but we've got our own criteria on how we want to govern this country. We will not allow lawlessness. That has been our aim. We want to provide leadership.
So me, I was allowing lawlessness.
We may take it in that way. We are not saying that. Our aim as the UPND, the New Dawn government, is to provide leadership, to see that all people are being taxed, not certain individuals.
Yeah, she didn't need a tax. It's so surprising. You are giving out tax even good border. Border Betty, now we go tax. It's for 20%.
We have to collect revenue.
No.
And collect people illegalities. We had
in the Bible.
We took over from a bankrupt president, so we want to ensure that we recover our cost. For us, it's about cost management. That is our aim. And that's
so
what
we're not managing cost management.
You may take it that way. I do not know. It's the people of Zambia to judge on how you are taking it.
Let me tell you, look, even if you are in power, we change, like when you go to change, and when you go to change, like there is 10% that you
very important.
You pay a tithe, 10%. You're more bigger about 20. You're going
revenue, be able to recover our costs.
Revenue. Sometimes you go in the Bible way, because 10%, you won't have 20% to the people. There's no stealing.
It's all about cost management. We don't want to spare any coin. That's what we want. Very important.
Spare any coin. So you want to get the coins from the people?
No, not necessarily.
Look,
Mr. President, not necessarily. There was lawlessness, certain people are benefiting. We want other people to benefit.
No, let me tell you, people to benefit. How can you benefit in border bed?
We have to collect revenue. We have to collect tax because they are using tax.
Which taxpayers' money? In any does it mean
anyone who forms a company is comprised? We have to ensure that we
collect. It's better you get from the company, not from the people who are winning border because that's also part of youth empowerment.
It's up to the people of Zambia to judge as what
people of Zambia to judge. They've already judged because no, you don't have to get everything. This is my house.
Be corrected. It's up to you to judge. But what we are saying for us is to collect any revenue.
And there are a lot of issues.
And that's why the
debt swap. We
don't want certain individuals to
benefit. Debt swap.
The way it was in your previous regime, where certain individuals benefited.
No, listen, the debt swap.
Check, check Wakalamba. A lot of young people.
Don't forget that. Yeah, debt swap need more information.
Wakalamba, for us, we are still investigating because the way it was done, the manner in which it was done, it was not. So we are trying to postmortem. Then we see, we'll bring it back. Just wait. The New government is working. Just wait. You can't describe us to fail to work just in a short period. We are just 1 month, Babwana. We are just 1 month.
We know we are just 1 month, but you know the starting is always it leads now to what how to happen.
That's the reason why we need you to give us guidance. When we come together, we meet.